Good evening, everybody. Well, we're slowly still working on the house here, and a little bit of progress, a little at a time. I had did these cabinets here a while back, and you see we got countertop and all here on it now. Got a little toaster oven, a few little fixtures and all. And yesterday and the day before, I worked on the kitchen walls on the other side, and where there used to be that 6 foot wide opening that went over to the side of the main into the main house where Mike is now living. So got that all closed up, and let me show you here. You see, it used to stop the finished walls right behind where about that letter M is there on the hutch, and I got it done on down through here, and I haven't painted some of these sheets yet. When I was needing to get it up, we had this not the right weather outside that I could roll them outside before I brought them in, but I went in and put them up, and most of it's going to be covered with cabinets anyway. In fact, there's some more still going down here, and of course I'll paint behind the stove. But I got the rest of the old cabinets up, and I pulled the doors off today. Actually, Cap helped me pull the doors and stuff today, and he was kind of helping me out when I did some stuff outside. And Cap come in here caulking out like I did in the other video, caulking all the inside, prepping it. And we've been doing a little scraping and all as well, getting loose paint and stuff off, getting these all prepped to repaint. And so it's gonna be pretty nice. But you see it's coming right along. I also got everything plumbed in for my gas for my stove. I've got some stuff stored down here right now, and I had put in the outlet. I will put the covers on after I paint. Got the outlet in for where you plug in for the stove, for the computer, and the display and all on the back of it, and the igniter. There'll be a little piece of countertop on this cabinet. It got me an outlet there. One up here above, it's going to be for a vent hood. And I need to put the second outlet in, but a set of plugs right there that'll be with some more countertop that'll be coming around right here. But it's moving right along. It absolutely is. So it is nice to be getting the remainder of the cabinets up. For right now, I just took all the doors out and put them in the shed. I'll work on those probably next trip when we're home. Probably not this time. And finish all of that out. But it is looking so good. Hello, everybody. How's everyone doing today out there? Huh? How we're doing is we're doing without electricity. Yeah. We have a power outage. It's going to be out for several hours. And I know you might be thinking, wait, I thought you had a solar system. And I do. But in the midst of remodeling all this little apartment down here and everything, I had taken my inverter and all out, taken my batteries out, and stored them while we were doing this remodel. I didn't want to like just rig them up. When you want to play safe with electricity. And so I didn't want to just throw something up temporary or anything. So they've been in storage while we've been doing all this work. And I need to get that inverter back up ASAP. Hybrid charge controller inverter. And I need to get my batteries back in here as soon as possible. Today was a real reminder of it. I tell you, we were right in the middle of doing everything. I was about to post up a video for myself and one for Melinda. And I was going to put them up simultaneously so that they could share links between each other. And power down. I'm like, oh, I need to focus to get the inverter put back in. And where I'm going to put it at, it's really ready for it anyway. And that's right there above that refrigerator right there on the wall. It's where I'm going to put it. It's a big unit. It's pretty wide, big square. You'll see it. I'll do a video, I think, on it pretty soon here now. But meanwhile, while I can't do anything, I helped Cap change out some door hinges on his truck before he drives back up to the Texas-Oklahoma panhandles. And I said, well, it's dark, but I'm going to paint the cabinets. And you can definitely see the difference of where I've been painting and where they were old and yellowed. But I've been working on that. And I painted all that wall right there this morning as well. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. I got some of the outlets ready. I need to put one more outlet there for that duplex and put a cover on it. But painting in the dark, but hey, it's working out. Slowly making this place come along. You know, it's so nice. Mel, she really likes the cabinet standing open like this. She's really trying to convince me to keep it that way. We'll see. We'll see. We got it all ready here where the stove's going to go in. I just got me a piece of plywood sitting here to set paint cans and rollers on while I'm working, but want to get this upper done and get all the painting done before I slide the stove in there. I don't want to take a chance of getting paint on the stove. Uh-oh. I have to do a little touch up right there. Yeah, but I'm just rolling it and brushing it. You know, we had a subscriber write a comment, I don't know why you didn't spray all those. You got a spray rig and all. Well, we wanted to put them up, and it's no big deal to paint them right here on the wall. And these are old cabinets that I'm repurposing. They don't have to be absolutely perfect or anything like that. And plus, if you spray inside the house, you're going to have to cover everything. You're going to have oversprays. You spray outside, we got vehicles. I don't want to deal with oversprays and all. So right here, roller, paintbrush, and I got another little fine brush, and we can make it happen, and it'll come out just fine. You may see like that little bit, looks like an orange peeling back there right now, as you see with the light glimmering there. And as this paint sets, that will all go away. Now I'm just now working on this one, so I'll need to roll it more. And like it's a cooler day, and you'll get like a little bit of places try to run on a cooler day. But what I'll do is that I'm letting it set a little bit, and I come back and roll over it, and then I'll come put a second coat. But it will all come out looking really nice. Power company had an outage today for about, I don't know, a couple hours, 2 or 3 hours. And I went on painting these cabinets while there was an outage, and they're looking so amazing. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? I may go through and add a second coat in a few places. Actually, I've already put a second coat on part of it. There may be a third coat, hit just a few little spots. Man, they are looking so amazing. Just go from grimy and dark and like that, and really yellow, like y'all seen earlier with the lights off. You could really see the difference. So I'm happy for that. I've got to pick me up another outlet to put on that box up inside that cabinet. That'll be for a vent hood, and I'll probably go buy a new vent hood tomorrow. So I need an outlet up there, and I need one on this duplex box right here. I've got one put in on the wall there, but I need to put the other one in and get the cover on it. But hopefully tomorrow, I'm going to be going to Home Depot. I'm going to look tonight and see what they offer for vent hoods in stock in the store. If they have something that I really like, I may go ahead and purchase there at the store. If they don't, I may order one. If it takes a couple days for it to come in, so be it. But I really want a good, strong vent hood, and then I'll work up above where the ductwork's going out. There's already a hole in the cabinet right there, and I've got some of the ceiling out right now. That's why we haven't finished the ceiling in this kitchen, because we have some things we still need to do up in there. And I'll get ductwork brought out and vented out to the outside. I don't want one of those recirculating vent hoods. You know, it's kind of useless. It's just blowing the same air around in a circle. You know, it might filter a little bit on that screen, but I want one that actually draws it to the outside. So I will look and see what they have. Then I haven't begun on this little cabinet here yet of rehabbing it. I'll work on that. But I did blow some voids underneath it down there with foam that swelled out, and I need to shave that off. I'm caulking these. I'm filling every crack and crevice, either if I find something with foam or with caulk. I want no place for geckos, spiders, mice, or any other little creatures to have a habitat, in no shape or form. So I am filling everything up everywhere.